could have been, thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows, said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
Great. Okay, so you know that this area called Old City, so most of things in here, everything is show Azerbaijan culture. This restaurant, its name is called Kaynana. So as you see, everything is called Azerbaijan culture, like you have turkey like this, like vinegar, books, everything is old. It shows like how much we used to cook. Everything must be homemade from fruit, from vegetables, and this is our culture. This is carpets like there. All time, the most of house after like they cut animal, they throw the hanging on the house. They believe that it brings luck. So yeah, in this restaurant, in this kind of restaurant you can find, and in this area 5-6 restaurant is like this. They open, and Old City only have Azerbaijan food. You cannot find here another country, because this area is Old City. It show Azerbaijan culture, so everything must be about Azerbaijan.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
Azerbaijan yogurt, you will never regret it.
Give me your freedom.